Welcome to Auto Drive Zone, your trusted channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and most exciting cars from around the world. Today, we dive into the future of electric performance with the Hyundai Ioniq 5N, a car that is redefining what enthusiasts can expect from high-performance EVs. Bold design with N-DNA. At first glance, the Ioniq 5N looks familiar, but the upgrades instantly set it apart from the standard model. It features a more aggressive stance, aerodynamic enhancements, and signature and specific styling cues. Wider air intakes, sharp bumpers, and a distinctive rear spoiler give it a sporty presence. The unique 21-inch wheels and exclusive color options complete the bold look, making it unmistakably part of Hyundai's N lineup. Power and performance. The Ioniq 5N is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering up to 641 horsepower with N-Grin boost engaged. This allows the car to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.4 seconds. The driving experience has been engineered for enthusiasts, with features like N-Drift Optimizer, N-Torque Distribution, and ELSD for maximum control. Hyundai has even introduced N-E-Shift, simulating the feeling of an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and N-Active Sound Plus, which adds realistic engine-like sounds to enhance driver engagement. Advanced battery and range. Equipped with a high-capacity 84 kilowatt-hour battery, the Ioniq 5N supports ultra-fast 800V charging, allowing it to recharge from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes when using a high-power charger. While the focus is clearly on performance, Hyundai ensures practicality, with a driving range that still makes it usable for everyday journeys. Track-ready technology. Unlike many EVs that focus solely on efficiency, the Ioniq 5N is track-tested and performance-tuned. Special cooling systems prevent battery overheating during spirited driving, while regenerative braking is optimized for high-intensity use. The chassis is reinforced, and the suspension has been upgraded to deliver precise handling on the road and track. Interior experience. Inside, the Ioniq 5N blends futuristic technology with motorsport-inspired details. The N-Sport seats provide excellent support, while the steering wheel features dedicated N-mode buttons for quick performance adjustments. A customizable digital cockpit displays performance data, including lap times, torque distribution, and G-forces, ensuring drivers stay connected to every detail. Conclusion. The Hyundai Ioniq 5N is not just another EV. It is a statement of what the future of performance driving can be. With its breathtaking power, track-ready engineering, and innovative driving technologies, it proves that electric cars can be just as thrilling as their combustion-powered counterparts. This is the Hyundai Ioniq 5N, and it shows us that the N division is ready to electrify the performance car world. Stay tuned with Auto Drive Zone for more deep dives into the cars shaping the future of driving. Thanks for watching.